Yes, the symbol is
At that subsequent
is a separate and subsequent exercise which the law envisages. The last date for that was 13A.
It is clear अब
यानी जो डिक्लेरेशन है, डिक्लेरेशन उनको 24 तारीख की जो लास्ट डेट है अपने सबमिशन पेपर में डिक्लेरेशन लाजमी लिख देना चाहिए. उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक सर्टिफिकेट बेशक सिंबल लेने से पहले हो, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन पहले होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
सपोज अगर पार्टी ए की तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन है तो पार्टी ए की सर्टिफिकेट एट द टाइम ऑफ इशुएंस सिंबल दिखाना होगा.
Sir, I think what my lord is saying, I'm also, I won't use the word page, but ये
इसमें इन साहब
bow to my lords.
इन साहब ने तो लिखा है सुनिए था.
और आगे सर देखिए सर इसमें with utmost respect, and I think the best thing is what for me as counsel is what Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said, that I leave it for the bench now to interpret.
We're clear on the legal question.
There are every document in this sequence, with utmost respect of Mr. Hamid Raza, contradicts the previous one.
ये आपका स्टैंड क्या है? देखिए इसमें इन्होंने लिखा है सुनिए थे.
सर मेरा स्टैंड
आप क्या इनको सुनिए थे का सर्टिफिकेट देना चाहिए था
Independent.
या अलायंस का देना चाहिए?
This is a hypothetical question, but I'll answer it. In my personal view, sir, it was, if he wished, I'll couch it like this, that if he wished to contest as SIC, he should have just said SIC and given his own ticket, which is what I submitted, that if all he had to do instead of these 3 somersaults was he wrote SIC, वो आगे PTI alliance लिखा हुआ है, that could be read as not applicable.
Even if it is alliance,
it
then
didn't
the
exist.
Declaration should have mentioned that he is the PTI candidate rather than
Independent.
The 66 declaration should have been consistent with that, with the tickets.
You understood your point. It's for us to interpret.
Thank you, my lord. It's for my lord. My
Just
lord,
one quick factual position, because I kept looking at the record. Could you just tell me what page would the decision of ECP dated 22nd of December?
My lord, it is not. It seems मैं अब्दुल्ला से भी पूछ रहा था कि है कि नहीं, वो मैंने dates कल लिखी थी, but यहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है. But when I sit down, I have a feeling it's somewhere, but not in my papers.
As long as you tell us where it is.
I will dig it out and I'll give the page to the court associate.
Thank you. You can maybe
But
proceed.
that's a fair. I actually was looking for it yesterday. I kind of gave up. My lord, I'll quickly go back to my first legal submission, which was regarding the tickets of PTI.
Point three.
Three in a way. Sir, so I gave the dates in response to one of the queries. ECP decision came on 22nd. 10-1 Peshawar High Court. 13-1 the Honorable, the Supreme Court. My submission is, my lord, that between the 14th of January until the 7th of February, the day, basically until midnight of the 7th, on the eve of the 8th, which was the polling day, the PTI, again, there was no bar on it, and in fact, I was in those hearings, it was encouraged to basically comply with section 208 and 209 of the Elections Act, and to conduct and notify its intra-party election to the Election Commission of Pakistan. Again, had this been done right until the 7th even,
what difference would it make?
then they could have contested, my lord, on their own.
How could they?
How would they have? आपका अपना schedule पे defeat हो जाता सारा, because they would be behind on everything.
They
You would have made an exception here again.
मैं अपना देखें, the election schedule started. Let's go back to the election schedule, man.
20th December.
It
which is 20th December.
So, as a special, देखिए, I am just making a
No, as a
suggestion that
special under which power?
जी.
As a special concession under which power you would have to resort to section 240.
2183 read with
Sikandar, that's a-
4 and 9.
That's a tough one. I mean, that's a tough
ठीक है जी.
one.
My lord will
That's a
take,
difficult
but
one.
my lord, as counsel, I'm
Because
making.
you're unrolling a lot of things which factually could not have been unrolled had they
I am
gone
so
ahead
happy
with it.
that the bench is saying all of this to me because I'm happy to hear all of this. That
आपके
no
पास-
special exemptions.
पास एक direct
2183 doesn't apply.
दोनों आपके पास एक डायरेक्ट पावर शायद होता 240 का, वो तो उस वक्त तो आपने इस्तेमाल किया
Fair
नहीं।
enough, sir.
उस वक्त आपको
I gave my submission. I bow to my lord's observation.
Sikandar,
Sir.
but why have you taken the date of 13th of January to the 7th of February? The matter of election was pending with the Election Commission of Pakistan years before.
My lord, they
And
were
years before.
2-3 years before.
Years before PTI had said, give us more time, give us more time. So this is the end result of a consequence. But the date was much earlier in time. So don't attribute or blame to the Supreme Court.
No, my lord, that
Make
was,
that the starting
that was
point.
not my. मैंने तो my lord ECP से शुरू किया and I did
नहीं,
not.
उससे पहले कानून कहता है इलेक्शन
Fair
करा
enough.
लें.
My lord, I was counsel in that case myself.
तो वो
Several
डेट
years-
शुरू हो रही है. देखिए डेट ये तो वो एग्जॉशन पे आ गए ना.
I was just dealing with
ये
the
तो
exhaustion
या तो आप कह रहे हैं वो क्या होता है आजकल फुटबॉल चल रही है तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में चले गए या एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के बाद और भी टाइम होता है ना वो
This was an
इंजरी
extra
टाइम
time
में चले गए.
and I was duly corrected in a sense by the bench.
ओरिजिनल गेम was the 90-minute
First
game
90 minutes पहले के थे.
वो आपको करना था एक सर्टेन मुद्दत में. वो था असल चीज.
I bow to my
But the
lord.
less time you spend on point 3, the
पहले
better.
आगे
I'm
बढ़ते
moving.
हैं.
That's why I'm seeking to like move rapidly to my last
मिस्टर
point.
काउंसिल देखिए वो तो इलेक्शन हो गए थे, वो इलेक्शन इंट्रा पार्टी उन्होंने कर लिए थे. सवाल ये था कि whether they came up, whether they lawful or not. That point you said no. One consequence you said not entitled to election symbol. But सवाल ये था कि इलेक्शन जायज हुए या नहीं हुए. जायज से मुराद लीगली हुए
With compliant with 208 or not.
and that issue, that particular point ultimately actually crystallized on the 13th of January when it attained finality with the judgment of the Supreme Court, which upheld your order. So in that sense, speaking for myself, I can understand your 14th January through to 7th February
Extra time argument,
extra
we'll
time,
call it.
but my question is, वो जो आपको कानून जिसको जो 240 है उसको तो पहले आपने
My lord, मैं बस
और
तेज अपने अगले सबमिशन पे जा रहा हूँ.
देखिए you have to be fair. अब कह रहे हैं कि जी वो कर लेते तो हम फिर 240 या 218 या ये वो इन्वोक करते. अरे भाई 22-12 को जब आपने किया उस वक्त करते ना, बता देते कि जी इलेक्शन सिंबल तो हमने ले लिया, हम रादर हम दे नहीं सकते. और नो लेट मी रीफ्रेज दैट. एक्चुअली आपने दिया, आपके पास डिस्कशन थी, आपने ले लिया, लेकिन आप पार्टी हैं फॉर दिस इलेक्शन, वो आपने उस वक्त किया नहीं. अब आप जब इशू फाइनली क्रिस्टलाइज हो गया, अल्टीमेटली डिटर्मिन हो गया, आपका ऑर्डर अपहोल्ड हो गया, अब फिर आप मुद्दा उन पे डाल रहे हैं. ये तो गैर
ये third point जरा
My lord,
आगे
I'll move on.
नहीं मगर आपकी देखें ये गैर मुनासिब बात, मजीद आपकी गैर मुनासिब बात ये है कि जो ये तो तस्लीम शुदा है, ये आपका मौक़िफ़ नहीं है. उन्होंने कहा कि जी हमने इलेक्शन नहीं करा सके, हमें 1 साल का मज़ीद वक्त दीजिए. तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम अगर गेम खेला ही नहीं गया,
There was a lot of extra time.
देखिए गेम खेला ही नहीं गया तो कहना कि जी हमने गेम खेल लिया, तो वो ज़रा मुनासिब बात नहीं है. क्योंकि ये तो तस्लीम शुदा बात है. अगर हम आगाज़ करेंगे सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने खुद ही आपको दरख्वास्त की जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे कि जी मुझे साल देते हैं. आपने इतना फ़राख़दिली दिखाई, आपने कहा साल ले लो. पहले तो फिर ये आप जो है ना ये आप अपना कवर करने के लिए हम पे डाल रहे हैं, मगर आप कसूरवार थे. आपने साल अगर ना देते, कुछ कम वर्ष देते तो शायद हो जाती बात.